Commercial pig farming on scientific and business lines can be a highly profitable venture. This has been proved beyond doubt by two brothers, Mr. Babu Paulose and Mr. Dany Jose. From a very modest beginning in the year 2010, today they are the proud owners of the well-established Rahna pig farm at Kelagam, Kannur. With a breeding stock of 120 adult females and 12 male pigs of Landrace, Duroc and Hampshire breeds, their farm today attracts customers for piglets from all across Kerala. The parent stocks in their farm are sourced from pig farms run by the Animal Husbandry Department, Government of Kerala. Specially designed individual pens provide comfortable space for the pigs. Separate pens are provided for pregnant, farrowed and adult pigs. The pens are also fitted with automatic drinkers. The use of commercial pellet feed has not only helped keeping the area free from air pollution but also has had a significant impact on the prolificacy. On an average, every adult female produces about 20 piglets annually. At around 35 days, the piglets are weaned from their mothers and are housed separately. Commercially available starter feed is provided and the piglets are ready for sale by the 50th day. At the time of sale, each piglet weighs around 10 to 15 kilos. Highly appreciative of the potential pig farming holds, both the brothers, with satisfactory smiles on their faces, reveal that they are enthusiastic to develop their own brand of quality pork in the near future.